Barber Family Farms, steers, 36-1. Barber Family Farms, Jeff Barber and family. Kim Chastain is the cattle person. Be one load of steers out of 67. The weight to be 775, 785. Delivery will be September the 1st through the 15th. Be one solid load. Really a nice set of number one muscle, medium, and large frame steers. 36-1. We've sold the Barber cattle in safe sale before, and we had a couple of loads back in May we sold and delivered them in June. These are the younger calves. Barber Family Farms, 36-1. Barber Family Farms, steers, 36-1. Cattle were weaned May the 15th. They'll have over 115 days before getting on the truck. Really nice set of number one muscle, medium and large frame steers, sired by Griswold, Sem-Angus, and Red Angus bulls out of commercial Angus cows. Another year or two we'll be having a bred sale with Jeff and his family. We just looked at the heifer mates to them and they really look good. Barber Family Farms, Brinson, Georgia. Cattle are on silage. They're turned out every day out on the pasture. The heifers are out there right now. They've got shade up here in this barn, but we ran them out of the barn to get the video. Barber Family Farms, Brinson, Georgia, steers, 36-1. Barber Family Farms, Brinson, Georgia, steers, 36-1. Cattle real docile. Number one muscle, medium and large frame steers, sired by Griswold, Sem-Angus, and Red Angus bulls. Kim and Jeff are doing an outstanding job. Again, the cattle run out every morning on pasture with silage up in here so they can get up under the barn and get the shade. Be one load of steers out of 67, around 775, 785. They'll have over 115 days before getting on the truck, September the 1st through the 15th. 115 plus days. Barber Family Farms, Brinson, Georgia. Cattle on silage and running out in the pasture. Is a really good set of Red Angus, steers. Barber Family Farms. There's only one gray, but he'd be a Simmental diluter. He's not Charolais. (36-1), Brinson, Georgia. Barber Family Farms. Jeff Barber and his family. And Kim Chastain. Cattle are real docile. And it's really hot out here this afternoon. 36-1.